All right, so we are talking about fancying up this old man, and we're doing the key of C. So basically, the way the little kids sing it is just with a C chord and a G7, a 1 and a 5. But we were adding a C progression, which is a C major chord, C, C major 7 chord, and a C6 chord back to the major 7 to a major chord. You know, when we say we're going to do a C chord, that really means a C major chord, but it's just too many syllables and it's too much trouble to say. So we just say C. So C, C major 7, C6, and then C major 7. This is a progression that you can use in a lot of songs. And Suzette, you were asking, well, how many beats do we do this? In this particular song, we're doing it for 2 beats. So this old man, he played 1. He played knick-knack on my thumb with a knick-knack paddywhack. Give your dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. So that's that C progression. And we were just talking about a G7 progression, or G7, a different form of G7 that Nancy shared with us last session. Here's our good old G7, and we're going to bring it up to here. It's a different voicing, so the notes are stacked on top of each other in a different way. So the way to find it is make your G7, and I just hone in on my index finger, and I bring the whole form to the 3rd fret, whole form, you see, like that. Now, that's more of a diminished chord. So what we have to do now is take the middle finger and the ring finger and extend it to the 5th fret, and we have a pure G7. Now, the way to work with this is just to go back and forth very slowly. So let's just do a measure of each. G7, 1, 2, 3. Now up here, 2, 3, 4, G7. Let's go back and forth. Close your eyes and do it. Not easy. And you'll get it down. This is a great form, a nice alternate to playing the G7. Thanks, Nancy, for sharing that with us. And the last thing we did with this was to change the groove up from a 4/4 to a waltz. So let's just try that and see what we can throw in with these embellishments. So, oh, 1, 2, 3, this old man, he played 1, and he played knick-knack on my thumb with a knick-knack paddywhack. Give your dog a bone. This old man came rolling